In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep as a teacher, 5 minutes. If you're looking for a simple, flexible way to capture ideas, plan lessons, and stay organized across your devices, Google Keep is a great place to start. It syncs on the web and mobile, works fast, and keeps everything searchable so you can find what you need right when you need it. Begin by opening keep.google.com in a browser or launching the Google Keep app on your phone or tablet. Sign in with your school account if you use one so everything syncs securely between work devices. On the web, you'll see a clean canvas with a search bar on top, your notes in either grid or list view, and a sidebar for labels. On mobile, the layout is similar. If you plan to use Keep often, add it to your bookmarks or home screen for quick access. Think about your top classroom tasks and match them to Keep. Use it for lesson planning by drafting objectives and linking resources, then keep a running to-do list for grading, photocopies, and classroom setup. During meetings, jot quick notes and action items so nothing slips. Save links, images, and PDFs for resource management. For student management, capture non-sensitive observations or reminders you need to follow up on. Keep is excellent for general organization, but avoid storing confidential student data. Follow your school's privacy policies. To create a note, click or tap Take a Note. Give it a short, clear title, then add your content. Switch to a checklist if you're planning tasks. This is perfect for weekly prep or materials. You can add images for anchor charts or classroom layouts. And on mobile, you can snap a photo of the whiteboard or a handout so it's saved with your notes. The drawing tool is great for sketching, seating plans, or quick diagrams. If you're on the go, try voice notes on mobile. Keep transcribes them, which makes them searchable later. Keep your notes short and focused, and create separate notes for different classes or projects to reduce clutter. Labels make everything easy to find. From an open note, use the label option to add tags like math, science, parent meeting, or grade 7. Keep your label names consistent and simple. Later, click a label in the sidebar or search using the label name to instantly filter your notes. You can apply multiple labels to a single note, which is handy when a meeting note also includes action items for a specific course. Reminders help you act on notes at the right time. Add a date and time to get a notification before class, at the end of the day, or whenever it suits your workflow. You can make reminders repeat for weekly tasks like posting homework. On mobile, location-based reminders are especially useful. Set a note to prompt you when you arrive at school or the supply room. Make sure notifications are enabled on your device so you don't miss anything. Collaboration is simple and powerful. Use the collaborator icon to share a note with a colleague or your teaching team. Everyone added can view and edit, so you can co-build lesson ideas, divide tasks, and keep track of updates in one place. It's ideal for planning events, co-teaching, or maintaining a shared resource list. If a project is finished, remove collaborators or archive the note to keep your space tidy. Customize your workspace so important items stay visible. Pin your most critical notes, like today's lesson outline or duty schedule, so they appear at the top. Use color coding to group related notes at a glance. For example, one color per class or one for meetings and another for to-dos. Switch between grid and list view depending on whether you want a visual board or a compact list. When a note is complete, archive it instead of deleting it. Archived notes stay searchable without cluttering your main view. And don't forget the powerful search. You can filter by type, label, color, or even words detected in images. That's it. With quick capture, clear labeling, timely reminders, easy collaboration, and a bit of customization, Google Keep can become your lightweight command center for teaching. Try setting up a few core labels, pinning your daily must-haves, and building a weekly checklist to start strong. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.